Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. So today I have taken a number theory question. It is asked in many competitive examination for how many values of k 12 raised to the power 12 is the least common multiple of 6 power 6, 8 power 8 and k. Let's begin the answer. So first we'll take the prime factorization of all the numbers. 12 power 12, this is your 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. Next, 6 power 6 equals to 2 power 6 multiplies 3 power 6. I am trying to take the only prime factorization. So 2 and 3 base are we are getting. So 8 power 8 equals to again 2 power 24. So it's given that LCM of 6 power 8, 6, 8 power 8 and k equals to 12 power 12. Writing in primary terms, so if we observe it is 2, 3. So k must be your product of, or it has the prime factors 2 and 3. So k has prime factors 2 and 3. So let k be 2 power k1 into 3 power k2. So LCM of 6 power 6 is 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. Here 2 power 24 and k is 2 power k1, 3 power k2 equals to 12 power 24 equals to 12 equals to 2 power 24 multiplies 3 power 12. So now you will compare 3 power. So here 3 power 12. Here in the left side I'm getting 3 power 6 and 3 power k2. Its LCM equals to your 3 power 12. That means 3 k2 equals to 12. Now what about k1? K1 has no limitation. K1 has no limitation because LCM of your 2 power 6, 2 power 24 and 2 power k1 equals to 2 power 24. So k1 can be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 24. So there will be 25 possibilities including 0. So giving k1 as 25 possible values. K2 has only one value. K1 has 25 values. So total values will be possible values of K is 25 into 1, that will be 25 values. the value of k for which 12 power 12 is LCM of 6 power 6, 8 power 8 and k. 25 different values we can get for k. Thank you for watching.